Hi, Asalamoalykom. So today I'm going to teach you Shahi Dal. Was Dal amlacha Shahi kadi di ho num with the Shahi Dal way. So few of you request for the Shahi Dal recipe on my Instagram. They DM me. So inshallah I'm going to teach you Shahi Dal my way. Maybe other people make different way, but this is my way of Shahi Dal.
I'm like a whole foot. Oh God, look how tall I am.
2 cup dal. You can mix 3 dal and make that recipe, but I'm making this from 1 dal because I only got 1 dal.
What dal is this?
This is masoor dal or red dal.
Or lentils.
Lentils. I 2 cup of dal for half an hour. Cooked it in 5 cup water. Maybe for half an hour. Okay, so I'm going to cook roti now. 2 spoon or half a cup oil for 2 cup lentils and 3 small size of onion on high heat. My dal is cooking on this side.
Yeah,
Okay, so all my ingredients is ready for my dal. I'm just cutting my tomato now. That's my masalas. That's
have you done moons?
Oh my God, I didn't. That's it. After this, I'm doing this. So, start the recipe. The para ma muzla or support lagi kare. Asal ke na kis tasu cooking the para. Ya ho, ya ga dunia ke bach na ke.
If I had a choice, I would. I'd soak by your zam lag garzi.
So zama onion, mashallah, brown shoe.
So once the onions have been sauteed, sauteed now, brown, just put 1 spoon garlic in there. Oh, this looks yum.
Yes, Nafia Baji, yes.
Baji shwamde. Auntie ratne?
Yes, Nafia auntie.
Mika.
Hello, Hannah. How are your feet, Hannah? What's wrong with your feet, Hannah? Hi, Hannah. Ooh.
You really should.
Ow. She hit her head.
Oh yeah, Nafia. Do your message will call night. There was a salon, pizza, shpag, at call Razi. Facebook one messages Razi, bar for Mama Welfare Organization. Da plan के बंद रहे डिंगरी बंद रहे दा प्राइवेट स्कूल के सबक कोई और सरकारी स्कूल ना खने भी और द्वी खर्चा था सोचा था कि बिल महाना वर्क वे sorry ज़्यादा चार प्राइवेट स्कूल ना दगना वर्क में प्लीज बार तासु तज़े ना को माल शर्म राजी नदासी डिमांड्स में कवे या तासु ब्यावाए चल शफा की इलाज वाला जो कर मायने पे मारा है No sorry, again apart please request makaway zakache muga ko der aga garibanan ka madad ko chasa che rizqam nishta ho bam se nishta please da se zabiya tas time kar ko na zashar begam no da se request na makaway mata you say in English now.
So Mum is getting a few requests messages from people requesting for children to be educated in private schools because they say that the public schools education isn't good.
Yeah, and also good like Iqbal,
he did it from public
doctor.
Yeah, public school.
From the public
so
school.
It's all about, your kid has to make an effort, themselves. So anyway, and she's getting a few she said please don't put in such requests because she only...
I feel really embarrassed to say no to you, so don't request things like that.
Okay, back to cooking.
So now teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, half a tablespoon thingy turmeric, and 1 teaspoon zira. Mix लेंगे और शाही गरम मसाला को कशवा और दे द पासा सलोर टमाटर दवा के या खुदा है पता बांध से चल दी थी बार नहीं होगा सो ग्रेट
Just open it up.
हेलो and 1 crush
Chili.
a medium flame bandi poke.
Okay, so cook that on the medium flame.
Zama daga washolo dal
is
nearly done show. Da pa high flame bandi usuke chizar pa kila ubuchi shi.
Okay, bump up the flame to high.
Samira sha plate se osa drink se osa se osa. Okay, so now on this stage for all your dhania. Right, stay there again for 2-3 minutes. Okay, so my masala is ready for dal. Now I'm going to dip that in my cooked dal, okay? My dal is almost done. And this is my Shahi dal ready. So I'm going to cook it for another 5 minutes on medium flame, and then it will be ready.
Dal look delicious. So that's the dal, Shahi dal. Ooh.